Well, with the refs off the field and the teams ready, I think we're about ready to begin. In 3, 2, 1.
And Blue Alliance lowers themselves off with Team 15489 successfully lowering themselves, but unfortunately getting stuck against the pole. Team 3965 seems to still be stuck on that lander, unfortunately. And Team 13688 unfortunately does not manage to put their marker in as they pushed it in and then accidentally snagged it back out.
But I might be hearing from the head ref here that counts.
Wow, that is quite the interesting development.
Pick up your controllers.
All right, looks like we're about to move into teleop.
2, 1.
And all teams pick up their controllers as Team 267 manages to get themselves unattached, and all of the Blue Alliance teams trying to quickly corral all of their minerals inside of their own depot.
Everyone's off. There's a lot of fast movement during this match, but I haven't seen anyone try to extend anything too interesting to go for the craters in the corner here.
Seems that none of them have any kind of arm equipment to be able to reach in there, and it doesn't seem like a smart strategy to just ramp yourself in there, because you wouldn't leave yourself a way out.
That's true. We're going to have to see what these teams do then. It doesn't look like anyone's fully claimed their depot, so stealing is still an option for both sides.
And it seems like Red Alliance, specifically Team 267, tried to snake around, but fortunately, Blue Alliance was able to corral and play defense. But Team 13688 trying to sneak around the back as Blue Alliance has to play defense in a two-front war. Teams 13688 and Team 267 trying to be aggressive to keep Blue Alliance on the defensive.
They all just seem to be moving at each other, almost threateningly. 13688 pincing its claws.
What could it be planning?
The Blue Alliance can't be feeling safe today.
It's like it's saying, beware, for I will rip off your attachments with this measly claw.
And it's looking like we're moving into endgame, where we're going to see the robots all start to convene around the lander, hopefully to get themselves on top.
And it seems that Team 15489 successfully lifts themselves up with only 11 seconds left. The other teams have to struggle to get attached.
Ooh, that doesn't look very good for 13688. They're trying to get their hook in, but it looks like they're just missing. And it's over.
And it seems that both teams end the game with only one robot hanging from the lander. And we move to the scoreboard as we can see that during Qualification 7, the Red Alliance won with 147 points in a very close game.